Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to this video that I will study about in respect of conditional sentence. Conditional sentence. That what is conditional sentence? Definition. Definition of conditional sentence. A conditional sentence. A conditional sentence that that tells that tells about the condition of subject condition of subject in a sentence is called conditional sentence. Conditional sentence is called conditional sentence. For examples, if I study, book, comma, I shall success in life. In this sentence, I subject tells about the condition of subject in a sentence. Hence, this sentence is called conditional sentence. In Hindi, यदि मैं अध्ययन करूँगा तो मैं जीवन में सफल होऊंगा। यदि मैं अध्ययन करूँगा तो मैं जीवन में सफल होऊंगा। इफ आई स्टडी बुक, यदि मैं किताब अध्ययन करूँगा तो मैं जीवन में सफल होऊंगा। इफ आई स्टडी बुक आई शैल सक्सेस इन लाइफ। फर्स्ट, सेकंड, if he goes to school, comma, teacher will teach him। यदि वह स्कूल जाएगा, यदि वह स्कूल जाएगा तो अध्यापक उसे पढ़ाएगा। In this sentence, about condition of subject described in this sentence. Hence, this sentence is called conditional sentence. Other examples third. If you reach market, comma, you will buy vegetables to eat। ओके। हिंदी, यदि तुम बाजार पहुंचोगे तो तुम खाने के लिए सब्जियां खरीदोगी। ओके। What is conditional sentence? Next, repeating definitions. A conditional sentence that tells about the condition of subject in a sentence is called conditional sentence. For examples, if I study book, comma, I shall succeed in life। यदि मैं किताब अध्ययन करूंगा तो मैं जीवन में सफल होऊंगा। सेकंड एग्जांपल ऑफ कंडीशनल सेंटेंस, इफ ही गोज टू स्कूल, टीचर विल टीच हिम। यदि वह स्कूल जाएगा तो अध्यापक उसे पढ़ाएगा। थर्ड एग्जांपल्स ऑफ कंडीशनल सेंटेंस, इफ यू रीच मार्केट यू विल बाई द वेजिटेबल्स टू ईट। यदि तुम बाजार पहुंचोगे तो तुम खाने के लिए सब्जियां खरीदोगे। स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ कंडीशनल सेंटेंस इन इंग्लिश। स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ कंडीशनल सेंटेंस, सब्जेक्ट इफ प्लस प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट, comma, future indefinite tense, full stop। फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, second sentence. Second sentence in Hindi, गा गी गे, गा गी गे. Also in Hindi, second sentence, गा गे गी. Now in other words about in this paragraph structure of conditional sentence. If फिर present indefinite tense, first sentence is in present indefinite tense to make, फिर second sentence in future indefinite tense, full stop. Okay, now repeating conditional sentence, that part is conditional sentence. Conditional sentence is a sentence which tells about the condition of subject in a sentence is called conditional sentence. A first type first rule of conditional sentence is given as below. Whose examples are given as below? First examples: if I study book, I shall succeed in life. These examples of conditional sentence belong to this structure of rule of conditional sentence. Hence, you will learn. You should understand about in this part, in respect of this structure of conditional sentence. Then you can translate Hindi to English. Okay. If first, if second present indefinite tense. Also next, in next sentence future indefinite tense. Then I translate with the help of this structure of conditional sentence. Then you can make. Okay. Next class we study about in respect of second type of conditional sentence. If this video liked by you, then you subscribe, share and maximum to maximum shared. Thank you. जय हिंद, जय भारत. काट दें.